In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a PDF from Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you've ever wondered how to securely and efficiently download your PDFs from Adobe's tool, you're in the right place. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring that you feel confident in your ability to get your documents downloaded and stored correctly. To begin, let's navigate to your Adobe Acrobat Reader homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a wealth of options and files. But for our purposes today, we'll focus on two specific areas: Create and Recent Work. These options are designed to help you easily access your past projects or start fresh. In this instance, we're interested in files you've recently worked on, so go ahead and click on Recent. This will bring up a list of files you've accessed or edited lately, making it much simpler to find the document you wish to download. Next, you'll want to locate the ellipses, which are typically represented by 3 dots. These dots are more than just decoration. They indicate a menu of further actions you can take with your file. Click on those ellipses, and you'll be presented with a variety of choices. Among these, you'll see Download this file. Go ahead and click this option. It's your key to getting that PDF onto your device. Now, we move on to selecting the document size and specifics for the download. You'll notice an option labeled This PDF. By selecting this, you're confirming you want to download the entire document as it is. It's a straightforward choice that ensures you get the full contents without any alterations or exclusions. With this PDF selected, you'll find yourself ready to complete the process. Finally, the last step is to click Download PDF. This is the decisive move that transfers the document from Adobe Acrobat Reader to your computer or chosen device. Once you've clicked Download PDF, the file will start downloading immediately to your designated downloads folder or location, depending on your browser settings. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a PDF from Adobe Acrobat Reader. It's a simple, intuitive process, but crucial for making sure you have copies of your important documents readily available offline. This method ensures that you can access and share your PDFs whenever needed without any hassle. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in making your PDF management even easier.